Guanki automatically sewing machine from China. We mainly produce the automatically sewing machine for the lingerie area, like woman bra, brief, men boxer. And for example, we have the automatically HAQUE machine, shoulder strap machine, boxer machine, and ring make machine, ring attach machine. All these fully automatically sewing machine can help the garment factory improve the quality, improve the output. We want this exhibition can help us to show or explore our automatically sewing machine to the Bangladesh garment area, and have more garment factory know about our automatically sewing machine. It can help them a lot. And we are very satisfied for this exhibition. A lot of customers coming here, they are very interested for the automatically sewing machine. This is the future in the garment area. Thank you.